shot down like Sean Yang. We strap, purple getting clapped, green like the cash that we keep stacked.
Boy, and he is a killer, straight up thriller. He green and he mean like a drunk caterpillar. So back down, there's a green town, doing green stuff, ripping that green crown.
Shaking what we're taking and breaking them, we the green. Saying no-nos on the screen, take the streets, why they scream? Wait, what's that? Is Purple Gang rapping? Nah fam, it's the sound of purple cheeks clapping.
What's that? It's the boys rolling up, and Juicy's got a cat. Oh no, Eddie got the snow. Josh and Molly driving en route to the studio. Knock knock, it's green on your plug. Making a little door, chickly unlock. Now we inside, your eyes wide. F in the chat, purple lake qualified.
We're gonna be killing it, Purple, you're gonna be feeling it. Slipping away, but you gotta be raving a minute, you're gonna be squealing it. I'm sealing it. Rapping is my way of dealing it. The way we busting on the mic is like we're breaking ceilings and we stealing it. But let me take it down a level. I'm getting rid of purple, but I swear I'm not the devil. I'm incredible. I'll be repping Team Green. It's time to close your eyes. I'm done with this.
Stand back, feel a rumble dead there. Bright light cheeks, seeped like a bloody ink. Clip trees, they